Yes. This Memorial Day is the culmination of a meeting that was held about 7 or 8 months back in Vikas Sauda in the Principal Secretary of Health's office, where we had the officials from the Transport Department, from ZCCK and Health Department. We initiated this discussion with the transport officials, and it has been a wonderful journey since then, and the rapidity with which this program has been initiated by the Ministry of Transport is wonderful. I just wish this whole program goes on to a national scale and becomes mandatory when somebody applies for the driving license to have a clause enclosed that he is a voluntary donor. And I would like to take this platform to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and the Minister of Transport and Home, who has spent his time with us today evening in spite of the Assembly being in session. Sir, we are indebted to you. And I would take 3 words from your message today. One is to be humanitarian. Second is this act is totally voluntary. And third is by creating this act, the whole of the government of Karnataka has sent a message to the country that we propose to bring awareness of this program to the rest of the country. So with these 3 key words in his speech, I think the minister has sent a clear message to all the citizens of Karnataka. So we are indebted to you for your wisdom and for your gracious presence here today. I would also like to thank the Principal Secretary of Transport, Sri Ramurthy, and the Transport Commissioner, Mr. Shambhat, for their presence today. The activity of ZCCK under the stewardship of Professor Sarath Chandra, Director of NIMHANS, is moving ahead in full steam. I would like to take this opportunity to thank him for all his support and thank all the council members of ZCCK who have given me unstinted support in running this program. The ZCCK will not move forward with the active role played by our coordinators who are sitting in the last row. Whenever there's a donation occurs, they work 36 hours non-stop in coordinating the donation process and see that the family who have donated the organs, they do not go through too much of agony. And we need to thank every member of ZCCK who participate in the donation process and the retrieval and the transplantation process. So I thank all the officials and the coordinators of ZCCK. Today's event would not have occurred without Samir and his team. Now, Gift Your Organ Foundation met us 2-3 years ago. They wanted to join hands with ZCCK. Now, ZCCK comprises of an organization of government officials, private players. I am a professor in Ramaya Medical College. Like that, we have different people in different organizations who are passionate about organ donation. And just by ourselves, it's very difficult. The government has instituted this, but to move it forward, we need a lot of outside help. And when Samir and his team met us about 2-3 years ago, that they would like to join hands in creating awareness, we welcome them. And this event is thanks to the efforts of Gift Your Organ Foundation. Samir, we thank you and your organization for this. We hope that it reaches across the country and move forward. I also would like to thank the audience for participating in this good event. There are a lot of known faces, Professor G.K. Venkatesh, Mr. Gowda from the Transport Department. So I would like to thank all of you who have come here, the press. Most of the awareness programs that we go through, we get a lot of support from the press. Without the press involving themselves in the awareness program, it's not possible to take it forward. It is the press which acts as an intermediary between the people who conduct these programs and the government. So I think the press is here in large numbers. I don't know whether it's because of the charm of the Deputy Chief Minister or not, but whenever we have such a dignitary, the press have always been very proactive. So the final messenger to the 6 crore people in Karnataka is the press. So we thank sincerely the participation of this press in this event. I thank you one and all. Thank you.